What up, guys? So this is a Lotus watch, and all I wanted to do was remove the dial from it. I want to replace that front screen. It has a screw-on back, and I looked for a video to learn how to do it. Could not find one anywhere, so I figured I would make one. If you have a Lotus watch and you need the dial out, I'm hoping this video will help you. So this is what the back looks like. Of course, you do have to screw the back off first. Now, many times, these little screws, one of them will release the dial. Many watches are like that. Not this one, of course. So I ended up unscrewing those about a turn and a quarter. Dial didn't come out, so I got them tightened back up. Sometimes there's a release right by the dial you got to push in to get the dial out. Tried that, didn't see anything. And what you have to do to get the dial out of this watch is there's these little dots right there, and you actually got to press it in, and when it's pressed in, you're able to pull the dial out. It releases. So I learned this with trial and error. Now there's a few dots right above the battery compartment where the little battery goes, the blue area. So I tried all of them. The one that you're going to want to press is going to be the one closest to the battery compartment, at least on this watch. It's going to be not that one, not that one, but this one right there. And then you just pull the dial, out it comes. So once again, it's the one closest on the right to the battery compartment. And once you get the dial out, you're free to do whatever you like. It's the only way you can get the watch out is by removing the dial. So if you learned something, feel free to like video, and thanks a lot for watching.